When the resident of this house approached the architect, he said something that left a lasting impression. "I want to live with plants." Thus, the FORT7 House was born, exploring life amidst lush greenery in the densely populated city of Miyazaki, Japan. The site's location near the city center posed a challenge for the proposal of a green-filled living space. The design solution was ingeniously realized through the creation of 3 distinct open courtyards, each with unique features and specific functions within the overall composition. The layout of the house harmoniously follows the elongated shape of the site, extending from the roadside parking and entrance to the Japanese-style guest room, the main garden, the living room, the secondary garden, the bedrooms, and finally, the water area. The house integrates nature as an essential part of its design. Expansive views of the planted areas flow through the main garden, extending into the living spaces and bedrooms. The main garden, reminiscent of a thicket, unfolds on one side of the living room. The secondary garden, situated between the living room and the bedrooms, serves as an auxiliary green space. The third courtyard houses an open-air bath. The main and secondary gardens are arranged with uninterrupted visual connections throughout the property, seamlessly integrating indoor and outdoor spaces. The outdoor living room, covered by a glass pergola, functions as a central atrium, allowing ample sunlight into the structure and providing a relaxing space. Even within the context of artificial gardens and planned spaces, this house highlights the profound importance of intertwining humans with plants. We have an innate desire to be close to nature, a natural inclination rooted in our DNA from tens of thousands of years of hunter-gatherer lifestyles. In fact, it may feel unnatural for us to continue living in cities without access to green spaces. However, even in rural areas, people are increasingly moving to larger cities, such as capitals, for convenience. As populations age and birth rates decline, creating living environments that allow us to coexist with plants and nature, even in urban areas, is becoming an important issue that we need to address in the future.